Hi, my name is Matthew Lumbe. I'm from Jose Mari STEM Academy and I'm a junior. My project is a comparative study of the antibacterial properties of Prairie sage and white sage extract against skin pathogens. So in 2020, a CDC report found that 70.7% of adults rely on hand sanitizer as a natural antiseptic. And furthermore, this hand sanitizer does not kill 3 strains of bacteria, which include Clostridium difficile, Cryptoprosium, and norovirus. And this made me beg the question why only 99.9% of bacteria is eliminated by hand sanitizer and where that 0.1% went. So for my hypothesis, I found that a natural antiseptic composed of tea tree extract, prairie sage, aloe vera, oregano oil, and water will be more effective in inhibiting the growth of E. coli and Serratia marcescens, which will be my 2 control groups throughout this experiment. And for my research question was, which natural ingredient would produce the most effective natural antiseptic that can replace the community manufactured hand sanitizer? So for my methodology, to test this antibacterial properties of oil and sage against E. coli and Serratia marcescens, the Kirby disc method was used. With 10 agar plates and petri dishes, I used 5 for being E. coli and 5 being Serratia marcescens. And I put them in a refrigerator overnight. Then I evenly swabbed each agar plate with bacteria in all 3 directions, horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. I then let the agar sit in an incubator for 48 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. And then I made the 4 solutions. And then I soaked 2 to 3 paper discs in the solution for 15 minutes. And in the end, I used sterile forceps to put each disc into the surface of the agar plates. After incubation, I used the ruler to measure the zones of incubation. So for my process and data, I found only results for E. coli in aloe vera, sage, oregano oil, and tea tree oil, which was the concoction I made with everything. And for Serratia marcescens, I found better results with 2 millimeters of incubation at sage extract and water, and 1 millimeter incubation with the concoction with everything. For future research, I can show that this project will expand to my school, which is the Grow Lab, which is a youth-led project that we are trying to innovate, trying to grow these sages and natural antiseptics in our own hydroponic room. And furthermore, this provides a structure for future schools to also be able to replicate. Thank you.